It's your girl Tay. Welcome to another video. If you are new, welcome. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you know every time I upload a new video, guys. So this video is going to be about the pros and cons of consuming my detox tea, IASO detox tea, and just to tell you a bit about my experience and what other customers told me they experienced. So let me just be clear. Every one of our bodies are different, so I can't tell you what you're gonna, experience if you never tried it or you didn't experience. Then again, sometimes you may experience the same thing that others have. So this is just simply my personal opinion on the pros and the cons and what some people have told me. So I wrote some things down so I won't forget. But also thank you guys for connecting with me and commenting down in the description boxes and answering and writing your questions. I like that. Continue to ask me any questions you want. I will answer them. So let's just get right to it. So first of all, the pros, there's a lot of pros. There's a lot of pros. But I guess as I go down each one, I'll talk about it. So the original tea, I'll put pictures up as I talk about each product. So the original detox tea, guys, the pros of that is it tastes like water to me. It also may taste like tea to some of you guys, but you can also, freak it how you want. You can put your fruits in it, your cucumbers. There's also a packet. It's called True Lemon, something like that. You can get it from the supermarket, your local supermarket. It's sweetened with stevia, so if you don't like the taste of it, you can definitely sweeten it with that. It's similar to like a packet of Crystal Light, but it's not Crystal Light. But if you want to enhance the flavor of your tea, you can definitely add that in your bottle of water. I did it. It's not going to mess up the effect of the tea. You're still going to get your results. So so what the tea does is going to clean your upper and lower intestines while suppressing your appetite. So it's a detox tea, not a weight loss tea. It's a detox tea, but the side effect, and by default you will lose 5 pounds in 5 days or more. It totally depends on you, but it's a detox tea. So what it's going to do is going to clean your upper and lower intestines. It's going to make you feel fuller, helps with inflammation, blood flow, gives you energy, and helps you release all the bad toxins. It cleans out all the toxins and the parasites that are in your body. So for am I sweating? So for some of you who may take the tea for the first time, you probably never detoxed a day in your life. You take this tea for the first time, you may start to feel, your stomach may start to feel a little like funny. You may feel a little bit of nauseousness. Some people even get headaches. But listen, that is just for the first week, I say, or maybe the first few days, because that was me for the first few days. But that's just the tea telling your body, yo, it's jacked up, okay? You need to get this stuff out. So if you take the tea, you consume the tea, and you feel like you're feeling a little sick or a little nauseous, your stomach feeling funny, that's because the tea is breaking down all that toxin in your body. And be sure to drink a lot of water when consuming all these products, or you're supposed to be drinking a lot of water anyway, but make sure you keep yourself hydrated and drink a lot of water. So you're going to experience that. So like I said, that's just the tea telling you that your body is messed up and you need to detox. So once your first week is over, that will go away. Yes, you are going to go to the bathroom, guys. This is a detox tea. So when it's cleaning your upper lower intestines, it's going in there and rigging the walls out and it's cleaning out everything. So you don't have to worry about, running to the bathroom. You know what I mean? That's why I recommend, if you work, take your first sachet between 2 and 3 o'clock and drink your last sachet right before you go to bed. Ooh, excuse me. So you can get up in the morning and have a release, a flush. The CBD tea also detoxifies your body, but like I said in the previous video, it has the benefits of CBD, which help with inflammation, insomnia, pain, body aches, stress, depression, anxiety, things like that. So with the CBD tea, you will still get that sensation of feeling full and detoxing your body, but it has the benefits of CBD. So some people take the regular tea in the morning and drink the CBD tea before bed so they can get a good night's rest. So yeah, those are some of the symptoms you might feel. Another thing is, it's not really cons. I know it just depends on your body. You know what I mean? There's a lot of pros to it, some cons. I mean, I don't know, you just have to experience it for yourself. I'm just really talking about what the product will do. And again, also, everybody's body is different, so you have to know your body. Once you get started on the products, the tea, take one. Start off with 1 sachet and see how that makes your body feel. So me personally, for example, with the regular tea, I could drink 2 sachets and I'll be good. I can have me an experience and feel good. With the CBD tea, I might need about 2 to 3 sachets because I just feel like I don't know, I just feel like it doesn't do for me what the original tea does. I love the CBD tea because it helps me sleep good, it helps me feel at, ease, and of course the benefits of CBD. But if I'm looking to go to the bathroom and if I'm looking for a nice experience with the CBD tea, I need about 2 to 3 sachets. You can use as many as you want. Like I said, you have to know your body. Like I always say, my system was tough. So this is why I need 3 sachets. Even if the regular tea, I like to mix them because see, I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I have time I can go to the bathroom. But if I was outside in the streets or working, I would take it between 2 and 3, and then my last one before bed. But I like to mix them because I get a nice flush. I loved it when I was in Mexico. So let me try it. I mixed the original tea and the CBD tea, and then honey, I got up that morning or in between the night and I flushed and it felt so good. So don't be afraid to go to the bathroom. We're all human. It's natural. You're supposed to fart at least 13 times a day. Some people don't. You're supposed to go to the bathroom at least, number 2, at least 3 to 4 times a day. And if you don't, then that means you need a detox. That wasn't me. I didn't go to the bathroom like I was supposed to, so that means all that undigested food, all that unreleased feces is just sitting up in my colon waiting to cause some disease. You know what I mean? So don't be ashamed to talk about going to the bathroom. Do not be ashamed to go to the bathroom. I know some people don't like to use public bathrooms, but if you gotta go, you gotta go. At the end of the day, I would want that shit up out me. I don't want nothing bad in me. Believe it or not, I have a lot of people who told me that they had past parasites. This is why it's important to detox, and this is why I love this tea. Some people walk around with a big stomach and a big gut thinking, oh, I'm just, I'm fat and this and that. Yeah, because the stuff that's inside your intestines is causing you to be fat or look fat. Most of the times, 10 to 25 pounds of weight is held in the gut, in the colon. So that's why it makes you look like you're fat, makes you look like you're pregnant even though you're not. So this tea is super, super gentle. This is why I love it. And if you consume it consistently for a week, you will see results. Like I said, I lost about 6 pounds in 7 days and I was hooked. So and I'm going to talk to you about a kit that I recommend you start with. But yeah, guys, so don't be afraid to go to the restroom. It's kid friendly, it's gentle. Your kids can be on this tea because they need a detox too. I'm pretty sure they're eating what you're eating, if not other stuff that's crazy, a lot of processed fast food. So all that stuff needs to get cleaned out. Just think of it as a pipe. You know what I mean? Pipes are all full of gunk and junk and stuff like that. And if they don't clean them out, they're going to stay like that for years and it's going to get backed up and then boom. You know what I mean? So you don't want to stay backed up. You're already backed up because think about it. When's the last time you detoxed? Thanksgiving, people eat on Thanksgiving and Christmas, all these holidays, and eat meat every single day, not giving your digestive system a chance to relax and break down the foods that you already put in previously. So it's just going up, and it's just building up, and you got about 5 years of food in your system, and you don't even know it. So this is why I love TLC and their products, because you get high gratification, you get results when you stay consistent. So any side effects, you lose 5 pounds in 5 days. Like I said, you will go to the bathroom. Either you'll pee a lot or you'll go, number 2, which is normal. You would want to number 2. I honestly, I never thought I would like talking about going to number 2 as much as I did now because of TLC. I didn't know. It's like every time I talk about it, I be like, oh my gosh. Like when I have an experience, I'm like, oh my gosh, babe. Like I feel so good. Like it just feels good to me now because I know I'm doing good justice for my body because I'm releasing all that bad stuff. So some of you guys may think that you're fat and stuff and you really just need a detox, and you'll be surprised what will happen. Little to no exercise, believe it or not. Of course you want to incorporate exercise in your life, at least walking 30 minutes a day. But there have been plenty of people who lost weight with little to no exercise. So this is what I mean by these products, the high gratification, because you're just releasing all the junk that's in your system. So yeah, so of course the tea, when you detox and you're getting rid of the good and the bad bacteria and stuff like that, and toxins and stuff like that. So this is where the NutriBurst comes in. The NutriBurst and the tea are like peanut butter and jelly. They go hand in hand. So when you get your detox tea, make sure you get your NutriBurst as well, because the NutriBurst is a multi-liquid vitamin. It is going to put back the good stuff in your body that was released. So if you don't eat your fruits and vegetables every day, if you don't get your vitamins, your minerals, your amino acids every day, NutriBurst is what you need. Your kids can drink it as well. This is a great way to get your source of vitamins and minerals and help keep your body energized and strong, and just ready to set the day. I take about maybe 2 shots a day. I just love how NutriBurst tastes. I love how it makes me feel. So the tea and NutriBurst go hand in hand, and also the NRG, which is a natural raw energy, guys. It is a capsule, not a pill. It's a capsule, so you can open it if you like, put it in your water, put it in your smoothie, however you choose to consume it. If you don't want to swallow it, that is fine. Just open it and take it however you like. That will turn on your energy while turning off your appetite. So this is also aids in weight loss, but also give you a good boost of energy. So if you work in the office, behind a desk, in a cubicle, you're up all day, you got to drive as your job, NRG is really good for you because it will keep you awake and alert and give you mental clarity. Each capsule burns 300 calories. So if you could take 1 capsule or 2 capsules with lunch or breakfast, it totally doesn't matter. The NutriBurst you take on an empty stomach. And yeah, guys, all 3 of these products work awesome and amazing together. So if you're asking me, so what's the best thing, what should I get started with first? What product should I start with first? I would recommend the Freedom Kit. The Freedom Kit comes with 2 bags of the original IASO detox tea instant form, a bottle of NutriBurst, and a sleeve of NRG, guys. So if you really want to kick off your weight loss journey or your health journey, go start with the Freedom Kit. It will last you for 30 days, so that gives you plenty of time to go ahead and try these products and see how it makes you feel. And you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it because it's gonna help boost your immune system. So these products are really, really good, guys. So if you have any heart issues, any heart problems, I wouldn't recommend the NRG because it has like caffeine in it and it gives you a nice boost of energy. It also has something called 5-HTP in it. That's also a mood enhancer. Some people who suffer from depression and things like that take NRG, and it has helped them. So similar to CBD has a lot of great benefits. And also, if you want to start as well, you can also start with the CBD tea, the NutriBurst, and the NRG. Now that is not in a kit. Only the CBD tea and the NutriBurst come in a kit together, but you can purchase the NRG separately by yourself. That's also an option. And you can try the Freedom Kit. So all 3 of those products together are also amazing, guys. I guarantee you will get results. So if you're thinking about trying these products, don't think no more. Just go ahead and get started. Click the link down below and order your products. Or if you're ready to join a business, you know what I mean? Take the products and tell other people about your experience and start making money, guys. Like, seriously, you can get paid to be healthy. You can get paid to drink tea and NutriBurst and NRG because this stuff works, and this is something that people are looking for. It's still the beginning of 2020. A lot of people are still wanting to lose weight, and they're looking for, a vehicle that can help them do that. And TLC is definitely it. So look no further. Don't wait. Invest in your health. Like, it's time, because a lot of people, they scared to spend money on themselves because they got bills, they got kids, they got this. Calm down, take a breather, and think about you, because if your health is not together, then you can't supply none of those things, you know what I mean? So, and this is also a way to prevent things from happening. Don't wait until it's too late to, take care of your health. When you go to the doctor, you get some bad news. Do all that now, so when you go to the doctor, all they have to say is good news about you and your health, and they're gonna start wondering, what are you doing? And if you put yourself in position to start making this money, hell, your doctors might want to buy it from you. So guys, before I end this video, I just want to let you guys know that CBD is changing the health and wellness industry rapidly as we speak, guys. It is expected to be a $22 billion industry within the next 2 years or so, and that's huge, guys. What would a little piece of that 22 billion do for you and your family? This is why I love TLC and Mr. Jack Fallon, the owner and CEO of TLC, for staying up with the times and keeping up with the trends, because we now have 3 awesome and amazing CBD products that are booming. You know what I mean? We sold the company out of tea like 3 times in like a month and a half. It was crazy, but these products are high in demand and people want them. So just imagine when everybody starts to know about CBD and where can they get some real good legit CBD from, they will know to come to you if you are in position to sell CBD, have CBD, consume CBD, guys. So I highly encourage you guys just to stop thinking about it and just go for it and just lock your spot in and take advantage of this opportunity, because you do not want to be the person who looks back 2 years from now and say, damn, I shoulda, coulda, woulda. Don't be the shoulda, coulda, woulda people. Even if you don't know what you're doing, when a good opportunity presents itself to you, sign up for it, join it, and figure out the rest later, because you don't want to miss it. You don't want to be left out. So TLC makes it really easy for the average person to, you know, be successful and really make it in life. You know what I mean? You can come from having a 9-to-5 job or having no job. You don't have to be perfect to do this, guys. You don't need no degree. Excuse me, you don't need no degree, no kind of special trade. You don't need none of that. All you need is a yes, and invest your money into, you know, something that's really going to make you lots of money, and at the same time help you grow as a person while getting healthy, guys. So if you are young, or if you're somebody who's working in college or not sure what you want to do, I recommend that you just give it a shot, because this is something that is really going to change the industry, guys. This company is booming. CBD is booming, and it's healthy. You know, it's something that we need. In case you guys don't know, we already have an endocannabinoid system in our body, but nobody knew that. Nobody wanted to tell us that. So now that CBD has come about, it is breaking records. It is changing the game, guys. So get involved with TLC. Get your own experience with these products, guys, and most of all, share it with others, guys. If you're not helping somebody else, you know, succeed in life, you ain't doing nothing, you know. And my goal was to really help serious people who are not afraid to invest in themselves, to really, you know, grow as a person and see that there's things that can be done outside your comfort zone. There's a wonderful life outside of your comfort zone. You just have to step up to the plate and say, yes, you know what, I can do this. You know, I can get us to try, because this is some place that you're going to want to be. I love TLC. I ain't going nowhere. I love the community. I love the people. I love the owners. You know what I mean? So it's just truly awesome and amazing. And I'm glad that I said yes. If I didn't say yes, I don't know what I'd be doing right now, honestly. So it's a great way to make money from your phone. We all are in a digital world right now where you can literally make your phone into an ATM, guys. And it's just that simple. I woke up this morning with a cell, and I'm like, you know, and I was asleep. You know what I mean? So wouldn't you like to make money in your sleep? You can wake up to your car note, your rent, you know, your phone bill, your light bill. How awesome and amazing would that be, just from you consuming a product, getting your story, and sharing it with other people, guys? It's really, really that simple. But of course, it's simple, but it also is work. You got to put the work in. This is your business. It's not hard work, but if you can post on social media and share other things, you can post your business and let people know what you're doing. It's just that simple, guys. So click the link down below, and let's lock arms and let's get started.